Are you ready for the next crypto bull run? In today's video, I'll share the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025 that could give massive returns in the coming years. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, it's the undisputed champion, the original gangster, the one and only Bitcoin. Often called the king of crypto, Bitcoin was the very first cryptocurrency, and it's still the biggest and most well-known. Think of it as the celebrity that started it all, the one everyone recognizes even if they don't know much about the crypto world. So, what exactly Bitcoin? In simple terms, think of it as digital gold. Just like gold, there's a limited amount. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. This scarcity is a huge part of its value. But unlike a gold bar in a vault, Bitcoin is completely digital. It's a currency living on the internet, secured by a technology called the blockchain. This acts like a super secure public digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can change. And here's a fun fact. The first real-world Bitcoin transaction was for 2 pizzas. In 2010, a programmer paid 10,000 Bitcoin for them. Today, that's worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Can you imagine? It's a wild story that perfectly shows how much Bitcoin's value has grown. So what drives this growth? A key event is the halving. It's a pre-programmed feature happening roughly every 4 years. Imagine a magical Bitcoin making machine. The halving cuts the reward for creating new Bitcoins in half. This slows down the creation of new coins, reducing the supply. Historically, this squeeze in supply has led to significant price increases. It's classic supply and demand in action. Another massive reason for Bitcoin's strength is institutional adoption. That's just a fancy way of saying the big players are joining the party. We're talking about major investment firms and large corporations adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. When these financial giants invest, it not only pours huge amounts of money into the market, but also signals that Bitcoin is being taken seriously as a legitimate asset. It's a huge vote of confidence. Now you might be thinking, a single Bitcoin costs so much. How can I invest? Here's a great beginner tip. You don't have to buy a whole one. You can buy a tiny fraction called a Satoshi. Think of it like cents to a dollar. This makes it accessible for anyone to get started. So if you're looking for an investment with a proven track record and potential for long-term growth, Bitcoin is the reliable anchor of the crypto world and a fantastic place to begin your journey. Coming in at number 2, we have Ethereum, often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold. But don't let the second place spot fool you. While Bitcoin is like digital gold, a store of value, Ethereum is something entirely different. It's more like a global supercomputer that anyone can use. Imagine a decentralized app store, but instead of being controlled by one company, it's run by thousands of computers around the world. This is the magic of Ethereum. It's a platform where developers can build and run unstoppable applications. And how do they build these apps? With something called smart contracts. Think of a smart contract like a super smart vending machine. You put in your crypto and it automatically dispenses exactly what you paid for. Whether that's a digital collectible, access to a service, or even a loan. There's no need for a middleman. The code handles everything transparently and automatically. This powerful technology is the engine behind 2 of the biggest trends in crypto, DeFi and NFTs. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is like building a whole new financial system without banks. You can lend, borrow, and trade assets directly with others. And NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital items, from art and music to in-game items and event tickets, that you can truly own, all verified on the Ethereum blockchain. For a long time, Ethereum's popularity caused network congestion and high transaction fees. But in 2022, Ethereum underwent a monumental upgrade called the Merge. It switched from an energy-intensive system called Proof of Work to a much greener system called Proof of Stake. This was like swapping a gas-guzzling engine for a hyper-efficient electric one, cutting its energy consumption by over 99%. This upgrade paved the way for better scalability, meaning it can handle more transactions faster and cheaper. This makes Ethereum an even more attractive platform for developers and a compelling investment for the future. Its vast ecosystem of developers and projects is unmatched. Because of all this, there's a popular idea in the crypto world called the flippening. This is the hypothetical moment when Ethereum's total market value could overtake Bitcoin's. Will it happen? Nobody knows for sure, but it highlights just how much potential many people see in Ethereum's technology-driven approach. So, Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a foundational layer for a new, decentralized internet, often called Web 3. Number 3, Solana. Known for its super-fast transactions and low fees, Solana is attracting developers and projects at lightning speed. Despite past network issues, SOL is making a strong comeback in 2025, becoming a favorite for DeFi and gaming applications. Despite past network issues, SOL is making a strong comeback in 2025, becoming a favorite for DeFi and gaming applications. Known for its super-fast transactions and low fees, Solana is attracting developers and projects at lightning speed. Number 3, Solana. Number 4, Polygon, also known as MATIC. Have you ever been stuck in a massive traffic jam on the internet highway wishing you had a secret super-fast express lane? Well, in the world of crypto, that's exactly what Polygon is for Ethereum. You see, Ethereum is the biggest and most popular blockchain for things like NFTs and decentralized apps. But its popularity is also its biggest problem. Imagine everyone in a giant city trying to use the same single-lane road at 5 p.m. It gets incredibly crowded, slow, and expensive. In crypto, this expense is called a gas fee, which is like a toll for using the network. During busy times, these tolls on Ethereum can get ridiculously high. This is where Polygon swoops in to save the day. It's what's known as a Layer 2 scaling solution. Don't let the jargon scare you. All it means is that Polygon built a whole network of super-fast side roads right next to the main Ethereum highway. It processes thousands of transactions on its own network, where it's way faster and cheaper. We're talking fractions of a penny per transaction. Then, it bundles them all up and sends a single, neat summary back to the main Ethereum network for security. It's like a massive carpool that uses an exclusive express lane, saving everyone time and money. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. Because Polygon makes using blockchain technology so easy and affordable, some of the biggest brands in the world have jumped on board. We're talking about giants like Disney, Meta, Nike, and even Starbucks. They're not just dipping their toes in, they're building real-world applications. For example, Starbucks used Polygon for its Odyssey loyalty program, turning coffee stamps into cool digital collectibles. And Reddit launched its viral collectible avatars on Polygon, giving millions of users their first ever NFT without the scary fees. So what about the MATIC token? MATIC is the lifeblood of the Polygon network. It's the currency you use to pay for those tiny transaction fees. But it does more than that. You can also participate in staking. Think of staking like putting your MATIC into a special savings account. By doing so, you help keep the network secure and running smoothly, and in return, the network pays you rewards in the form of more MATIC. It's a fantastic way to support the project and earn passive income. By solving Ethereum's biggest headache and attracting massive corporate adoption, Polygon has cemented itself as a powerhouse in the crypto space. It's making blockchain technology accessible for everyone, from individual creators to Fortune 500 companies. As the digital world continues to expand, the need for a fast, cheap, and reliable platform like Polygon will only become more critical, making it one of the most compelling long-term projects to watch. Number 5, AI-based cryptos. Artificial intelligence is the hottest trend right now, and projects like Fetch.ai and Render combine blockchain with AI. As AI adoption grows, these tokens could see explosive growth in the next bull run. Artificial intelligence is the hottest trend right now, and projects like Fetch.ai and Render combine blockchain with AI. As AI adoption grows, these tokens could see explosive growth in the next bull run. As AI adoption grows, these tokens could see explosive growth in the next bull run. Number 5, AI-based cryptos. So, those are my top 5 cryptos to watch in 2025: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and AI-based tokens. Which one are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights and future investment strategies. So, those are my top 5 cryptos to watch in 2025: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and AI-based tokens. Which one are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights and future investment strategies.